So one of the novice mistakes in creating a profile sketch for Revolve is to sketch the full shape of the model. Okay, like in this case, if you want to make this kind of revolve part, you may sketch whole shape of the part and try to revolve it. And SolidWorks does not allow to do that. So if you want to just revolve this one along this axis, it won't make it. It's just a rebuild error. Cannot do it. So what you have to do is just you have to sketch the half of the part. Okay, so I'm gonna trim it out, all these lines, and also you have to close the profile. Even if there's a center axis, you have to draw another line over the center axis, and then you can now revolve about the axis to create the solid. You can also create multiple contours like this, revolve multiple contours. So if you do revolve of this, you select the sketch and do the revolve, and there is a center axis, so it automatically grabs the center axis, but it doesn't show the preview, and there's a selected contour box is open and active, and you hover your mouse over the regions and you can select the regions. So this is same as in extrusion. You can select multiple regions to make revolve. Okay.